It's now time for Honk the car, Toot the boat, and swo-swoosh the helicopter in another of their happy adventures. It's a lovely day in Springland. Morning, birds. Morning, sheep. Honk is going to fly his kite today. Yippee! Thinks Honk. I love kites. Here's swo-swoosh the helicopter. Morning, Honk, calls swo-swoosh. Did you remember the kite? Oh, yes, smiles Honk. It's right here. Don't make so much wind, blinks Honk. There's Toot the boat. Good morning, Toot, calls Honk. Good morning, calls Toot. The wind is just right for flying your kite. I'll help you get the kite in the air, calls swo-swoosh. But Honk, where is the kite? Says Toot. It's right there, says Honk, on my seat. Honk, I thought you said you had the kite, complained swo-swoosh. It was right here, I promise, says Honk. Where can it be? Maybe the kite fell out when you were driving, says Toot. Let's all help look for it. I'll see if it blew into the water. I'll see if I can find it from up in the air, announces swo-swoosh. I'll look on the land, calls Honk. Oh, I do hope we find it, thinks Honk. Maybe the kite blew all the way to the top of the cloud, thinks swo-swoosh. I don't see the kite floating on the water, thinks Toot. Good morning. Did anyone see my kite? This is where Honk had a bump and where swo-swoosh made so much wind. Hello, ducks, honks Honk. I think my kite fell into the river. Please look under the bridge for me.
Sorry, there is no kite under the bridge,
quacks Mother Duck. Any luck? Calls Honk. My kite is lost forever, says a very sad little Honk. Think I'll go home now. Hey, stop! Shouts swo-swoosh. Sometimes we find what we're looking for only when we stop looking, chuckles Toot. Yippee! Kite flying time! Have a lovely day, everybody.